Hi folks, and welcome once again to Family Friendly Bushcraft, the place where I come to make memories for my kids, save them up to YouTube, and if anybody else gets some enjoyment out of them as well, then that's absolutely brilliant. Just getting attacked by the triffids there. Bit of wisteria, mile a minute vine. Now I'd love it during this video if you could smash like, smash subscribe, hit that bell for notifications, because the more we do, the more we can bring to people, and hopefully the more enjoyment people will get out of this. Now, I enjoy being outside, the kids enjoy being outside, so why not make memories for us all? Enjoy, and we'll see you on the other side. The link for the Amazon saw will be in the comments below. Right then, we're doing a short kit test on these two saws. The green one on the right hand side with the black handle. That's an Amazon cheapy camping folding saw. The yellow one on the left hand side, another folding saw. This one's a cheapy from Lidl. I might redo this audio because of the plane going over. They pick the timings right. Okay, so Tyson, yeah, one at a time, take one of the saws, unfold them and cut through the bit of stick in front. You tell me about it, tell me how it feels. Does it feel comfortable? Does it feel stable? Is it cutting well?
It feels stable.
Good.
It's cutting well.
Is it comfortable in the hand?
Yeah.
Good.
But the wood wasn't balanced properly.
Aha.
Am I cutting straight through it?
Cut straight through?
It's going to take a while.
Yeah. Okay. Did you feel you're making progress, or would you like to make quicker progress?
Quicker progress.
Okay. So it's shifting material, but not too much, yeah?
Yeah. Okay, so this is the part I try not to cut off my fingers.
Well, you need fingers for picking your nose, don't you?
Yeah. Well, this one looks better.
So this is the little one in a different place, not in the same place.
Okay, so here.
Yeah, that'll do nicely.
Right next to it.
Yeah.
Well,
So how does that one feel?
it feels way much more smoother. A lot more easy to get through.
Is it moving more stuff, do you think?
It's moving more, it's moving the wood more.
Okay, cool.
If I was in the Amazon rainforest, I'd bring this.
Would you?
Yeah.
All the way to the Amazon?
Yep. And a machete, like you have. Boop. That was quick.
That's your Amazon but professional pruning saw. Folds with a little switch on the top, folds into its own handle, so the cutting edges are nicely away. Got a rubberized grip and plastic top end. It's fairly ergonomically shaped. It's not the worst in the world I've ever used. And we've got the one I've had a few years, the Lidl cheapy folder. Again, it's a slightly rubberized grip. It's not quite as soft as the one on the Lidl one, although it is a bit longer and it is a bit of a longer blade. Same principle, switch on the back, unfolds the blade, revealing the teeth. We've tried both these folding saws now. We call it the Battle of the Budget Blades, eh? Well, I didn't know that. That looks part way through as well. I don't like that principle myself. I think personally, from the test both me and Tyson have done now, that the Amazon folding saw is the better pick of the two.
Yep, definitely.
Hope you enjoyed that, folks. Just time to like, subscribe and hit comments below. All the best for now.